Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new subscription box to share with you. So this is the Kinder Beauty box, which if you have not heard of, you are not alone because this is a newer subscription box and it's actually a really interesting one. So this box actually features all vegan and cruelty-free products, which is, in my opinion, so amazing. I feel like we should all be heading in that direction. Cruelty-free makeup should be all makeup. I've said it before, at this point in time, there's absolutely no reason to test on animals. So if you're someone like me who wants to get more towards using 100% cruelty-free products, or you're making your way there, this box is a great way to get a few products and start trying them out and maybe introduce yourself to brands you haven't heard of. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using some things in this box that I have never heard of before, which is really nice. So it is $24 a month. You can save a little bit with a 3, 6, or 12 month subscription. I will have it linked below, of course, so you guys can check it out if you're interested. You are guaranteed $65 or more value in every single box. So at the very least, you are nearly tripling your value. And of course, when it comes to vegan products, you are sometimes looking at spending a little bit more to get that high quality product. So I think it's a really good deal. Let's go ahead and open it up. We've got our card right on top. It says Kinder Beauty box and it has all the details inside. I do want to kind of just dive in. First off, it's a really pretty. They've kind of put it together so nicely. So the first thing I see, it looks like a bath bomb. So this is the Kind Poppy. So this is a bath bomb. I'm assuming mine is lavender. It just has baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, essential oil, and flower petals. So that's really cute. I kind of want to untie it and see what it looks like. You guys know I am obsessed with bath bombs, and while Lush has always been my favorite, I am definitely open to trying some other brands. So this is what it looks like. It does have the little flower petals you can see there, and it says these are handmade and carefully crafted to produce incredibly mild, soothing, and nourishing fizz. If there's a scent in it, I can't really smell because they've got it wrapped up really nicely. These retail for $6.50 and they are from the Kind Poppy. So I am definitely excited to try this one out. I believe this one is lavender. You can actually see the little lavender petals there on the side. Look how cute. At first I thought this was like just decoration for the box. It smells so good. This is from Soul Makes and this is Palo Santo Wood Stick Bundle. It smells so nice. It smells like something I know. It's a very like light, homey kind of scent. It says it's known as holy wood and it's said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into your home. It says whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they are certain to delight your senses. So this goes for $4.50 apparently. So it says you can light one. I'm kind of curious to do that. But do I put it in my fireplace? I don't know. Maybe to be safe. This goes for $4.50. This is definitely something I'm not familiar with. I've never had anything like this before, but I am open to it and it does smell really nice. Next we have something from Franklin and Whitman. This is Botanical Steam. Oh, that's interesting. It says it's organic botanical steam. It's a calming mix featuring chamomile, peppermint leaf, hibiscus petals, calendula flowers, cornflowers, and lemon verbena to gently moisturize, remove pollutants, and deeply cleanse and dislodge dirt from pores. Wow. Okay, so what do? It says you bring 4 cups of water to a boil, place 1 or 2 tablespoons into a bowl, pour steaming water over the blend, allow to cool slightly, place a towel over your head to create a steam tint, and position your face comfortably over the bowl. It says you can breathe deeply and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I've definitely heard about doing that to like steam your skin, and this is interesting. It's just like a very natural scent. You can definitely smell like the chamomile and the peppermint in there, but it seems like that would be really invigorating and it would open up your pores. This might be great before using something to help clear out your pores even more. So I'm excited to give this a try. Again, this is another thing that I never would have picked up on my own, so it's kind of nice to get something like this that you might not have picked for yourself and be able to try it, and who knows, maybe you'll fall in love with it. And this guy goes for $22. Next we have something from 100% Pure, which I've actually heard of them before. This is the Maracuja Oil Mascara Volumizing Black Tea. So here it is. It comes in like a little cardboard tube. You could have gotten it in dark chocolate or black tea. So I'm excited that I got the black tea. It says it's a luscious lash volumizing mascara that won't clump or flake. Infused with lash conditioning vitamins and deeply pigmented by tea, cocoa, and coffee beans. Okay, I kind of want to try this out right now because I feel like I would definitely be tempted to try it very soon. Oh wow, it's got a cute packaging. It's actually got a pretty nice brush too. I kind of want to just throw some mascara on since I happen to be going au naturel right now. I'm having just a little bit of the mascara kind of fall down as I'm doing it, but it is super dark. My lashes actually look really good with this on. I don't know how well you're going to be able to tell, but it's giving a little bit of volume, but it's lengthening well, and it's super dark. I don't know, something about this just looks pretty. It's a little bit more of a natural looking lash, but there's something I like about it. I can't like put a finger on it. It's just the way that it makes my lashes look like they're really pretty but still natural at the same time, and like I don't have a lot of like clumped on mascara. It's definitely not clumpy. I feel like this is a mascara you could just like layer and layer and layer. It's not getting clumpy in the slightest. So that mascara goes for $26. And then next we have the Eve Hansen Beauty The Natural Way Antioxidant Infusion Sheet Mask. Here's what she looks like. It says it has a potent blend of antioxidants and ingredients that are designed to reduce skin irritation and redness. I need that. Soothe UVA sun damaged skin and enhance overall skin nourishment and rejuvenation. Okay, I could definitely get down with all of that. So I am excited to give this a try. You guys know I love, along with my bath bomb, I love a sheet mask. That's pretty much what I do every night that I take to just like relax. Bath bomb and a sheet mask. We've got one more item. So this is the Farmhouse Fresh Coconut Cream Shea Butter Hand Cream. It says that supple butters and vitamin E packed jojoba and soybean oils calm even the severest of dry skin. It's thick and luscious but leaves no greasy feel on the skin. Let's give it a shot. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit. Ooh, that smells so good. I can't quite put a finger on exactly what that smells like. It's not an overwhelming coconut scent. It's more of like almond cherry or something like that. It smells so good. I really love this hand cream. It really doesn't feel like, even the palms of my hands and fingers feel moisturized, but it doesn't feel greasy. Usually after lotion, I feel the need to like wipe my palms off or like wash my hands, but this feels really nice. So that's definitely one of my favorite things in this box for sure. Alright, so that is everything in my Kinder Beauty box for the month of March. Let me know what you think below about this subscription box. Is it one that you're interested in? Are you like me, someone who's trying to get to the point of using 100% cruelty-free items? I think this is going to be a great way for me to start to incorporate more and more into my daily routine. So I'm pretty happy with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. I'll of course have it linked below if you want to check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video.